This is question 40 for the practice final. In the question, we are asked to rationalize the denominator. The reason why we have to rationalize this denominator is we have the square root of x, and we can't really break something into a square root. If you look at the square root of 2, it's an infinite number. You can't cut something infinitely into that many pieces. So, because we can't do that, we need the bottom of this answer to be a whole number, or at least something equivalent, where we can put a whole number in. So what we're going to do is think about the difference of squares. Remember that a plus b times a minus b is the same thing as whatever a is squared minus b squared, right? So they're both going to be squared. We have the first portion of that. This is the same. Our b is going to, or sorry, our a is going to be this 3, and our b is going to be the square root of x. So we just need the other part. Well, we can take this up and say the other portion of this would be 3 minus the root of x, or square root of x. And if you do something to the bottom of a fraction, you have to do it up top as well, because fractions are relative to each other. The numerator and the denominator are. So we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by the same thing. Take a look at what we have now. On the numerator, we have 2, 3 minus root x. And on the bottom, we get to kind of do a cheat and just kind of skip over some stuff. We know that we have a squared. So if you think about it, a is a 3, and we're going to square that. The minus comes from the formula itself. This is not related to the negative root x. While it is part of it, it is not the reason why we're writing it. Because we have a positive and a negative, we're not using this negative, we're going based on the formula, and the formula says, or the form says there is a negative here. So don't get confused by that part. We're then going to put this in and square it. Well, if you have a square root and you square it, these will cancel, leaving us with 3 times 3 is 9 minus 8x. And on the top, we still have the same thing. We have 2, 3 minus root x, and that's all we can do. So that's pretty much where we're going.